Hello, and welcome to US Glass and DWM Magazine's coverage of Glass Build America. I'm Tara Taffera, editor of DWM.
And I'm Ellen Rogers, editor of US Glass Magazine. We're here in Atlanta, where door and window manufacturers, as well as contract glazers and fabricators, are armed with shopping lists and ready to see what the industry has to offer.
But Glass Build also offers the opportunity for companies to hear about the latest news, including personnel announcements, acquisitions, and more. And we'll be bringing all that to you this week. In fact, today we caught up with one IG machinery manufacturer who had just announced a North American operation.
Farrell has been in the marketplace of North America for quite some time. At this point, they really decided that they needed to have a firm presence. They had to establish their own company here and support the market completely. Definitely with the economy rebounding to some extent, as well as their growth and progress worldwide, they determined that North America was too important of a market not to support in this fashion.
Speaking of new operations, AGC just announced plans for a new glass fabrication facility right here in Atlanta. We spoke to them about that today, as well as to several other glass companies about their news and announcements.
The Atlanta manufacturing facility that we just opened up, it's a 234,000 square foot facility. We've combined commercial and both our residential and our commercial product lines into the plant. It's going to employ a total of about 120 to 125 people. Most of those people are going to be converting already from our Marietta facility, and we're basically already up and running.
We've designed our booth around some new products that we think meet some trends and some requests we're getting in the marketplace. One of the things we're seeing is a lot of interest in triple glaze IG units, and we've got a coating that's designed for triple glaze because it goes on the number 5 surface and lets the light in, lets a lot of light in, 78% light transmission, but still blocks the heat inside, so it really works well for triple glaze. That's one of the things that we've got. Also got a new product we're previewing, which is a low solar heat gain product. There's always interest in the market from architects on saving money on cooling costs. We've launched some new tools on our website, which include a performance calculator, a building energy calculator, and a BIM generator. So it's a triple threat, if you will. Those three things together, it's a tremendous amount of information, not only for our customers, but really designed for architects and facade consultants to use.
This is our first year at Glass Build, and behind me is View Dynamic Glass. Dynamic Glass can transition its tint from 4% up to 60% in visible transmission, controlling heat and glare throughout the day during different sun conditions. Yeah, I think there's a lot of excitement around Dynamic Glass. View's opened up and announced it back in November, production capability of the Dynamic Glass. At AIA, we announced we can now do 5 foot by 10 foot. So at this show, it's about awareness, and people see that Dynamic Glass is the future of glass. They're really excited about it coming online, and a lot of people, this is the channel that we work within, whether it's the contract glazers, some of the equipment suppliers. So they're excited to see next generation glass coming into what they work on.
Let's see what other companies were showing off here today.
We're with AkzoNobel, the architectural aluminum coatings group. We have our powder division as well as our liquid division, doing the fluoropolymer coatings for the high performance AMA 2605, as well as we have a new siliconized polyester product we're launching for AMA 2604. And we still have our 2603 products.
At Glass Build here we have new equipment. It's our Exacta-Blend AGP, standing for Advanced Glazing Proportioner. And what's unique about this, it handles 2K, two-part material. But what's unique about this is everything is done through electronics. So normally you would have rocker arms for setting your ratio, but our equipment does it very easily. With a touch of a button, it'll set your ratios.
We are here to exhibit our sunshade products. We're a manufacturer of aluminum bar grading, and we started out by offering bar grading as an economic alternative to sunshades on jobs that needed value engineering help. Since then, we've expanded into louvered sunshades, hybrid products, and then also aluminum extruded products. Some of the newer products that we're here to exhibit are our aluminum extrusions, Z-blades, airfoils, things of that nature, and also our Sunshade Plus product, which is a hybrid grading product. It's designed to carry a 300-pound load and still function as a sunshade.
Before we wrap up our video, we want to bring you our top picks for the best of glass build. For me, it was the new bird-friendly glass from Walker Glass.
My pick goes to Vision Hardware for introducing no less than 8 new products.
We will definitely have more picks for you from the show, so be sure and stay tuned for that.
That wraps up our coverage for today. Be sure to check our websites for the latest news. And if you're here in Atlanta, stop by and visit us in booth 708.
Thanks for watching.